Hey guys, I'm back and what's going on? Guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to melt. I already started, but let me show you how this looks. I will be making caramel edible slime. I already started. Wait, let me put this down. Hold on. Look. I'm just waiting for these to melt. And this mixture here is just the mixture that you see here is just sugar and water. The sugar and water is going to caramelize whatever, and the gummies are going to melt. Yeah, these gummies are taking so long to melt. So guys, when it finish, I'll be right back. Look at this. Wait, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna let it bubble and then show you guys. Okay guys, I'll be doing a giveaway. I know I said that in a video, but I never did a video last week. So all you got to do is give this video a thumbs up and tell me why do you want this giveaway. And who first subscribe at the Tricky Twins, Marjorie Galvez, my channel, and Shackle Lewis. They all are YouTubers, and they who first subscribe to their channel will get a giveaway from me. So guys, this is how it bubbles. Guys, look at this. Guys, when this finish, the gummies are finished melting and stuff, I'll be right back. Okay? Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrows, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long. Tom, he's not running. Oh gosh, what's wrong? Guys, I'm back and let me show you it caramelized. Look. Oh my god. It kind of burned a little because I went outside. But I'm gonna keep mixing it because the gummies melt. Look at this. The gummy has make it look chunky. And guys, just let this boil so the gummies can get a little more melted because there. Okay guys, now I'm gonna let that cool and I'm gonna get the cornstarch. Guys, I threw some of the cornstarch in its cart, and so I wish I could have something. I wish I could have a vlogging camera, guys. But you guys know I'm using my phone to vlog this. When I'm finished, I will show you guys. Guys, this is really hot and I'm doing it in the same pot so I don't have to. Guys, I can't wait to try this. This looks. Guys, let me give you a sneak peek. Sorry for keeping it long, but look at this. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. This looks like caramel. Wait. I want to flip the screen, but guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this in fast motion. Bye. I don't want to touch it. It's hot. It's hot. I'm gonna finish that. I'll be. Guys, I'm finished. Look at this. The edible slime. Guys, all you have to use to make this is gummy bears, water, sugar, and corn starch. Guys, this is still hot. It's burning my hand, but guys, I'm gonna try it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Well, that's tasty. Okay, guys, that's all for. Wait, hold on. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and go and try this recipe. Bye. It's getting a little tough because it's cooling off. It's better when it's hot you make it, but this is still hot and it's coming real sticky. So guys, try this. Bye. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and you become part of the Slime Squad. Bye.